Hello friends, let's start Kanji Masho 13 and 4 kanjis 4. Konomu kanji. This kanji has woman kanji radical and child kanji radical. A woman has nothing but love for her child. This kanji means like, fond. Onyomi ko. Imoto or younger sister kanji. This kanji has woman radical and still or not yet radical. So, woman who is not yet old, that is younger sister. Onyomi is Mai. Ane, older sister kanji. This kanji has woman radical and city radical. So, woman who is big, that is older sister. Onyomi is she, which is also the onyomi of the city radical. Hajimaru, that is begin kanji. This kanji has woman radical and platform radical. Just as a woman's body forms the base for producing a baby, this kanji means begin. Onyomi is she. Ji, character kanji. This kanji has child radical and a top radical. So this kanji means something having something very small and basic form. Kanji characters form the basic units of writing, so this kanji fits the description of a character, that is kanji. Onyomi ji, kunyomi azana. Shitsu, room kanji. This kanji has a sole radical between a lid or top and mud radical. So this means someone lying between floor and roof. So this kanji indicates a room. Kunyomi, which is not very often used, is muro. Ie, uchi or house kanji. This kanji has a roof radical and many strokes which are similar to the strokes found in the elephant kanji. This indicates a house with a roof having many members. Rather than the elephant kanji explaining this kanji seems to explain the elephant kanji because each and every leg of an elephant is the size of a human being almost. So the left and right strokes of the kanji indicate human beings in this kanji and legs in elephant kanji. Onyomi of this house kanji is ka or ke. Samui or cold kanji. This kanji has a lid and in the bottom the two small strokes which are used to say freezing, as we have already seen in winter kanji. We can compare the middle strokes to the fireplace. This kanji means cold. Onyomi kan. Hiku kanji. This kanji has a bow radical and a line. So this kanji means pulling the bow. The meaning of this kanji is pull. Onyomi is in. Takumi kanji. This has been described in Kanji Masho 2. Onyomi is ko or ku. Meaning of this kanji is art or construction. Shi or city, market kanji. We have already seen this kanji as a radical in the Ane kanji. This kanji has a upside down yama radical and a roof like radical on it. Perhaps it says a place having many items piled like mountain, kept for sale. So it is market. It also means city, kunyomi ichi. Kaeru or return kanji. This kanji has a cut radical, a city radical and a fallen mountain like radical. This fallen mountain radical indicates losing power or stopping action. Hence, it is used in the sleep kanji. So, together these radicals mean cut short visit to the city and go home. The real meaning of this kanji is return. Onyomi is ki. Hiroi or wide kanji. This kanji has a open house radical and soul radical. So these radicals together mean unenclosed self. The actual meaning of this kanji is spacious, wide. Onyomi is ko. Do or degree kanji. This penetrating line is used to say going on in some kanjis, like Noru, ride kanji, as we have already seen in Kanji Masho 10. But here it indicates ichi, 1 unit. Underneath is the mata radical which says repeated. So, open place where 1 unit is repeated again and again. So, it is degrees. Degrees are units. Kunyomi, tabi, onyomi, do or to. Tateru, build kanji. This radical has many strokes piled on each other and which we have already seen indicates making, construction. The second radical is going on road radical, that is going on. So together these mean construction going on or to build. Onyomi is ken or kon. You may remember that these lines piled radical is also seen in the brush radical and it was compared to the bristles of brush. Hence this radical is also in kaku kanji also. Kaku means right. Ya or house or shop kanji. This kanji is very similar to the room kanji except that in this the roof radical is replaced by the building radical. So this is not just a room but a shop or house. But this kanji also means roof. Onyomi is oku and kunyomi ya. Now let us see if you remember all the kanjis taught just now.